Evaluating your English. Digital tools for vocabulary assessment. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Advanced English Vocabulary series. Today, we're diving into the world of digital tools for vocabulary assessment. We'll explore different applications and technologies designed to help you measure your progress and enhance your vocabulary skills. So, you might ask, why use digital tools for vocabulary assessment? Well, these tools provide instant feedback, and they're often designed with game elements to make learning fun. Moreover, they can adapt to your level of progress and offer personalized learning experiences. And the best part? You can use them anytime, anywhere. There are a variety of digital tools available for vocabulary assessment. Let's take a look at some of the major types. 1. Mobile apps. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Quizlet offer engaging activities and quizzes to help you assess your vocabulary knowledge. 2. Online dictionaries. These provide definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and sentences examples. Some, like the Oxford Learner's Dictionaries, also include quizzes and exercises. 3. Digital flashcards. Services like Anki or Cram allow you to create your own flashcards and include features for self-assessment. 4. Language learning websites. Websites such as FluentU or BBC Learning English provide a range of interactive exercises and quizzes to help you evaluate your vocabulary. Remember, diversity is key. Combining different types of tools can offer a more rounded assessment of your vocabulary skills. To fully benefit from these tools, there are a few strategies you can use. 1. Consistency is crucial. Regular practice leads to steady improvement. 2. Challenge yourself. Don't shy away from new and difficult words. 3. Track your progress. Many digital tools have built-in features that allow you to track your learning journey. 4. Engage with the learning community. Some apps and websites have user communities where you can learn from others. And that's it for today's video. We hope these digital tools for vocabulary assessment will help you evaluate your progress in expanding your English vocabulary. Remember, the journey of language learning is one step at a time. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, happy learning!